guys, welcome to Gaming with Aisha, and today we're playing Brookhaven. I'm gonna have my morning routine today. I'm just sleeping. It's 4 a.m. I have to wake up 5, so let's leave. I can't sleep. Okay. Hey, do you guys like my pajamas? I love it. So let's brush my teeth and comb my hair, and then we're gonna go out back. Food. Okay, let's get that up. And I'm gonna go and have my bath. Bathing clothes on. There we go. Okay, eat. Thank you. I love you. Okay, I'm done. Now let's go and pick an outfit. We have so many outfits here. So I'm gonna get my faves of all. It's the pink outfit. And I really love it. I love this outfit, but I love this outfit too. But I think I'm gonna go with a little pink, like an eagle type. Ooh, this is so cool. This is my style. Okay, I'm gonna wear this. And we need a mask as you're gonna go out. The cutest mask you have ever seen. Let's go and wait, I don't think so we need a mask. No, I forgot COVID has gone. No mask needed. I don't really I need my college backpack though. I don't really want to be too much pinky, so I'm just gonna get a backpack. Okay. Gotta close the shields. Oh no, I'm late. I need to take a quick snake and then go. I'm gonna get an apple super quick. Go, 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 go. I need to go. I need to go. Okay, I'm done with the apple so quick. Okay, here's my scooter. Here's the demo. Cool. How much do that? Just I love to take the scooter to school. I have a limo. I have 6 limos and 1 to 7 Lamborghinis. I have a lot of them. And I even have a really cute limo. Pink color. Okay, let's just lock my car so no one can use it. Okay, let's get the paperwork we need. Oh, new circular. I hate circulars. Let's go to my locker. Okay, first is math. First off, maths class. Hate maths. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, students. Today we'll do addition. Mr. Basha, please come to the whiteboard. Why always me? Okay, so tell me what is 2. Oh, I'm strapped. Sorry. What is 2 plus 2? I think so that equals to 4. Good, you can go back. And here's your exam list. I got an A plus. Cool. On my first day. Your report card is so cool. Maths class is over, so that means that means the cafeteria and music class. It's a break time, so I think I'm just gonna use the restroom. I need to play Roblox. Okay, where's my phone? Why? Here's my phone. Luckily, I can't carry their allowing phone in school. Nice day. Hi, girly. How is Foxconn going on? Not good. I really miss Kelly and Darby. Oh. Okay. Okay, gotta see you later. Gotta go to the cafeteria. Bye. Bye, girly. Ah, I miss Darby and Kelly. Okay, what to get? What to get? What to get? I'm just gonna get a Gatorade. Diet Gatorade. Ding 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 ding. Class. Oh, great. Okay, we have music plays. So good. So I'm gonna play the piano. And now I can play the guitar. Da 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 da. Wait, what is there? Mom, can I have a snack, please? Why is that girl over there? Is that Holly? Or is that girl Becky? Or Miss Silver? I gotta check. Thanks, but I'm gonna bunk school. I'll tell the principal later on. What the? Okay, gotta take my car. Super car. Where is Grandma Becky? Hey, I just saw her. Did she just disappear like a ghost? Is that a robber? Yeah, they are robbers. Guys, I bunked school just because of Grandma Becky. I guess we're gonna go home. Come on, garage, open up. I just wanna watch some TV. I wanna watch Good Morning Loud and the Hype. It's a super old series. I hate to watch it, but I guess I'll watch it. Nah, maybe I just watch something else. Not the Panda Show. Husband Lightning. I've seen so much. We're okay. No. Survivor. No. Breaking news. No. Oh, I love this. Breaking news. No. There will be a tornado in Brookhaven after 5,765 years. Why are they saying so future things? Another news. There are fire in number 22. Wait, does 22 live just in front of me? Yeah, but no one lives in 22. In the server of 6666 in Brookhaven. Whoa. It's even giving a string of the other servers. Great. I know it's really boring, so I'm just gonna go and get my skateboard. And I think someone called Sky. Lock me up. Maybe I'll just get my motorbike today. No, I'm just gonna get my skateboard. Okay, gotta call Sky. Where's my cell phone? Here's my cell phone. There's my cell phone. Hey, Sky. Hey, girlie. Oh, I gotta get in shade. Wait. It's raining. Yeah, it's raining outside. Hey, girlie. Hey, do you wanna come with me and to the arcade today? I'm so sorry, girlie, but I have a lot of work from Raspberry School. Okay, I guess I'll call you later. Tell me when you're free to play Roblox. Okay, bye. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Bye! And this was the morning routine.